Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. Today I have an iPad stuck on iPad is disabled connect to iTunes screen. This problem may happen if you type in the wrong password too many times. So to fix this problem, you will need a PC, and the PC can be both Mac or Windows PC. So first of all, go to your PC, then go to the Apple website and download the latest version of iTunes on your PC. And if you don't know how to download, I'll have the download link in the description. You can download it from there as well. So as you can see, I have already downloaded the iTunes on my device. So I'll simply open it. Now once you've opened the iTunes app, try connecting your iPad to your PC using a lightning cable. As you can see, the device didn't show in the iTunes. In most of the devices it should show up, but in my case it's not showing. So in this type of problem, you need to put your iPad in recovery or DFU mode. So to put in recovery mode, follow all the steps I teach you over here, and if you do the same, your iPad will go to recovery or DFU mode. First of all, turn off the iPad and keep on pressing the power button. Now once the white screen appears with Apple logo, press the home button, and once the screen goes blank, release the power button, but don't release the home button yet. Now as you can see, the device has showed up in my computer. And I also released the home button after the iTunes showed my device. In most of the iPads, the screen will show recovery mode, but in my case, the screen is still blank, but the device is connected and is shown in the iTunes. So it's working. Now in your iTunes, right over here you can see two options: eject iPad and restore iPad. So click on restore iPad. Then click on restore and update. Now as you can see, it is extracting the software. In my case, I've already downloaded the software, so it's showing extracting software, but in your case, you have to download the software first and then only it will start extracting it. So be patient and wait for it to extract. Now as you can see, now it says preparing iPad for restore, and the iPad screen is showing Apple logo and installing the software. So be patient for it to install completely. Now as you can see, the iPad has been successfully restored. Now if you enter your Apple ID password, and once you have entered those, you will be successfully able to use your iPad. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos.